In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio on PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're putting together a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, adding your own narration can really bring your slides to life. So, let's dive right in and make your PowerPoint presentation stand out with custom audio. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. If you have it pinned to your taskbar, great. If not, you might find it by clicking on the Start menu or searching for it. Once you have Microsoft PowerPoint opened, you're ready for the next step. Now, with PowerPoint open, you'll want to open the specific presentation file you're looking to add audio to. You can do this right from the opening screen of PowerPoint, which usually shows a list of recent documents or gives you the option to open other presentations stored on your computer. Just click on your desired file and it'll open up ready for editing. Once your presentation is open, it's time to head over to the Record tab. This can typically be found in the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to look for more options or customize your ribbon to ensure the Record tab is visible. This tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of custom audio and video recordings to your presentation. After clicking on the Record tab, you'll see several options, but for now we're interested in the Audio option. Clicking on Audio will open up a new window or a dialog box that allows you to manage your audio recordings. Before you start recording, you'll be prompted to give your audio clip a name. This might seem like a small step, but it's actually quite important. Naming your recording helps keep your project organized, especially if you plan to add multiple audio clips across different slides. So take a moment to type in a descriptive recording name that will help you identify it later on. Alright, it's showtime. The moment to record your voice or any other audio you'd like to add to your PowerPoint slide. To start recording, simply click the record button, which usually looks like a red circle. Once you've clicked it, you'll begin recording immediately, so take a deep breath and start speaking clearly and at a moderate pace. Remember, you can always re-record if you stumble or if there's any background noise that gets in the way. When you finish recording, whether it's after a few seconds or a couple of minutes, you'll click on OK or a similar button to stop the recording. This also saves the audio clip to your PowerPoint slide, using the name you provided earlier. Take a moment here to listen to your recording. If you're happy with it, great. If not, you can always record it again until it's just right. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add personal or professional audio recordings to your PowerPoint presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with the recording features in PowerPoint, the more comfortable you'll become. Adding your own voice to a presentation can make it more engaging, personal, and tailored to your audience. It's a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can significantly enhance the impact of your presentation. Whether you're narrating the entire presentation or just adding brief explanations to certain slides, your audience will surely appreciate the effort. Before we wrap up, a quick tip to enhance your recording quality: try to record in a quiet environment and use a decent microphone if possible. This can greatly improve the clarity of your audio, making your presentations even more professional. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating PowerPoint presentations that not only captivate your audience visually, but also provide them with a memorable auditory experience. So go ahead, give it a try, and see just how much more engaging your slideshows can be with a touch of personal narration or music. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy presenting.